In this video, we'll show you how to install and use Microsoft Excel on your Windows 11 PC or laptop for completely free. So to do this, first open up any web browser and then search for Excel. Now select the first link that appears here. Now here you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one already, you can also create one for absolutely free. Once you are signed into your Microsoft account, go to your browser menu. Now here select cast, save and share, and then select install page as app. This option may be located in different places depending on your browser. For instance, I'm using Chrome, but in your case it may be located in a different place. Once you select it, click on this install option. So this will immediately install the Microsoft Excel on your PC. You'll also see its icon on the desktop, and you can also launch it from the start menu. Once you open Microsoft Excel, you will see an interface like this. Here you can select create blank workbook and then start working on your spreadsheet. You will need to have internet connection for this to work, but you will be able to use all the options that appear here. Nothing will be grayed out, as you can see. Similarly, you can also open files that are already on your PC. So go to the home tab. Now here select upload a file and you'll be able to work on the spreadsheets that are stored on your PC or laptop. So simply select the file and then click on open. So this is how you can use Microsoft Excel for completely free. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.